The rapid development of artificial intelligence has led to an explosion of possibilities and achievements, but the technology continues to face challenges obtaining basic human-level intelligence. What holds AI back? Will robots eventually be able to make autonomous choices? Join us as we hear from UCLA computer science professor and ACM/AM Turing Award recipient, Judea Pearl.
I have a message here to machine learning people and to AI people that I've been working on for the past 30 years. The message is that machine learning has experienced an unexpected success in many areas without attention to fundamental theoretical impediments. And these impediments separate it from the hope of achieving human-level intelligence, and that machine learning, if it continues in that gallop forward, it will eventually and quite soon reach the barriers of impossibilities, which will impede it from going any further. The article is divided into three parts. The first part talks about the ladder of causation, which is the DNA of causal inference. Readers who read for the first time about the ladder come back to me and say, how come I never thought about it, but it's an eye-opener. The second part is about an inference engine. That's something that AI people should be very familiar with. Whenever we have a task, we have an inference engine, input and output. And the last one is the 7 tools. These are tasks, cognitively tasks, that we can do now with the help of causal inference that we could not do before. And the hope is that machine learning people will look into the success we have achieved in machine learning and learn from it what we need in order to translate it into more general tasks of intelligence. And when we talk about artificial intelligence, we have to divide it into two segments: machine learning and traditional AI. I belong to the traditional school. I come now back to the machine learning and ask them, please behold what we have achieved, and please behold what components you can transfer to your area of expertise. I have abandoned AI in the past 2 decades. Namely, I looked for communities that could not live without causal inference. Collection of customers that live and die by cause and effect. These are the empirical scientists, the health scientists, social scientists. They need it. And they were listening to me, but AI people can live without it. Okay. I come back to them and tell them now, no, you cannot live without it. I'm not a futurist. I'm a tool man. I build tools to enjoy doing today what I couldn't do yesterday. However, I see a tremendous potential for these tools to solve some of the fundamental problems in AI. Among them, for instance, free will. Does a robot have free will? Or should a robot be punished for action that he or she performed? This problem will be solved in AI. We will build robots that talk as though they have free will, and this is the Turing test. And that is what counts. They will be able to communicate with us on the level of having free will, and that means they will build more code, they will build more empathy for us as human beings and for each other, and they will play better soccer because they communicate in the language of, he should have done better. If you want human level intelligence, you have to climb higher. I'm giving you the tools for climbing higher.
Learn more at The 7 Tools of Causal Inference with Reflections on Machine Learning, a contributed article in the March 2019 communications of the ACM.